Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, remember that it is completely normal for your phone to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging. To minimize that, first, close all the background apps. Then go into the settings. In battery health, select one of the battery protection modes. Then use original cable and the charger. Avoid using your phone while charging, especially do not play games, just leave it on the nightstand, let it charge properly. Remove the case if you have it, and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.